Jim Gavin has today confirmed the team that won't start tomorrow's All-Ireland final against Tyrone. It shows 2 changes from the side that didn't start the semi-final against Galway. Out go Michael Fitzsimmons and Michael Dara McCauley, in come Owen Merchant and John Small. Here's the team in full. Here it is, the Dublin team named to start in tomorrow's All-Ireland final. Fire: Cooper, Jack McCaffrey, Brian Fenton, James McCarthy, Niall Scully, Con O'Callaghan, Brian Howard, Paul Mannion, Kieran Kilkenny, Dean Rock. Elsewhere, Tyrone have named their side for the final, showing 1 change from the side picked to face Monaghan. Mark Bradley comes in for Lee Brennan. Here's that team in full. First 15 to play Dublin in All-Ireland final: 1 Morgan, 2 McKern and 3 McNamee, 4 Hampsey, 5 T McCann, 6 Burns, 7 Hart, 8 C Kavanagh, 9 C McShane, 10 Donnelly, 11 Sludden, 12 K McGeary, 13 Bradley, 14 Donnelly, 15 C McAlliskey. Tyrone GA at Tyrone Again Live, August 30th, 2018. We await the pre-throw-in changes with excitement. See also, the GAA obsessive behind Kerry's incredible minor team. See also, Dubs without Vincent's influence, a strange sight ahead of 4 in a row bid.